and you happen to have forgot a peg, email me and I'll send it you. When the weather surpasses England's 15 degrees, people take their shirts off. Looking forward to it. Not. The fans don't need that. I can't say enough good things about this place. Absolutely stunning. Nah then. It's blowing everywhere, man. I've not brought a cap with me, but yeah, we're back out. It's beautiful, and my plans, I was meant to go on Kirkstone Pass and park there, but it was closed, so I have no idea where I'm going. I've parked in Seathewaite. I'm gonna make my way up this, and I'm not going to show you me sweating my head off going up there. Last time we was up here, it was snowing. I was with Connor, and we've got crampons, eyesight. Underestimated the snow, stupid really, but I'll roll some clips now. We've not got far now. This is, seriously, it is adding time onto this hike, but how deep that snow is, so we're playing it safe. Going home. So yeah, anyway, we're back now and the sun's absolutely beaming. So 16 degrees. I think we've got about 2 weeks left of winter officially, or 10 days, I can't remember, but let's get up there. This stuff's a nightmare, man. For all those who will know, when you're going up towards Seathewaite town, it's just this boulders and grass mixed in. Just at Seathewaite town. When I just get up here, I'll catch up with you in a stretcher box. Once I've caught my breath. It took me about an hour and a half to get up here, and that's me in a rush. Me and Connor we laugh about it, because whatever I type in on the OS maps, I'll just double the time. So if it says a 2-hour hike, it's 4 hours for me and Connor. And like I watch people and I see them flying up mountains, man, like an hour and a half, 2 hours or whatever. And it's personal preference, isn't it? But for us, there is no right or wrong way, but me and Connor do it the big fella's way, Wainwright, because he says in his books about, just stopping and absorbing the scenery. This is winter, man. I don't know if you can see up there, but there's two lads with tops off. Winter. And speaking of, I'm going to get sunburnt because I've no cap, I've no sun cream. So yeah, I'm going to winter sunstroke. But yeah, I'm going to jump on the corridor route and make my way up that way. Right. Yeah, I'm going to pretend that I'm filming, but look at this. Winter. Welcome to England, people. When the temperatures reach over 16 degrees, it is worthy to take your top off. So yeah, it's skew gill and all that gear there. And I don't know where it is, but I think it's somewhere up here where I'm heading. Here we have another species. When the weather surpasses England's 15 degrees, people take their shirts off. The Climbers Traverse. In there. Kirkfell. This thing, my God. Me and one of my mates, Liam Grundy, if you're watching. Absolute hell down that scree, man. Absolute hell. And here we are at the famous Skug Gill. And then, yeah, just up there and away we go, son. It's beautiful around here. I've camped down there as well, actually. Not on that slope. Shit, boy. But yeah, that was lovely down there. It's lovely around here. Do you know what? I'm going to confirm it. The Scarfell Range is my favourite. Anyway, let's get up this beast. Right, I think this is where I go up. I'm taking a wild guess, and yeah, looking forward to it. Not get stated sweat on this. Jesus Christ! Right, now I've seen this here, I know I'm nearly there, but look at this. Come on, I've come from. How'd you get across that way? Is it that way? I come from down there. Oh, it's stunning round here, but yeah, I'm gonna get up there, get this tent pitched, and get rid of this sweat. Lambfoot Dub, and it is beautiful, man. But I'm gonna camp somewhere over here because it's proper boggy, and I don't know, you can't see Styhead town from here, or Derwent Water. You can't see down Wasdale Valley. I mean, it's beautiful to, you know what I mean, to camp next to water when you made all this effort to come up here, but there's no one here. So maybe if someone does turn up, they can enjoy it, but I'm gonna get out on that edge there and get a few more views. Look at the sweat pouring, man. Right, I'm gonna get set up because we're well off the beaten track. But first, actually, I'm gonna filter some water. And it's a beautiful body of water, like, but look, it's, the fans don't need that, so this is where we're gonna go. See it there? There. We get pitched. So yeah, that's where I'm going to pitch. And the water's just there. But absolutely stunning views, man. Look at this. Look at this. Here we go. And down into Wasdale Head as well. Unbelievable, man. We're pitched. There's about 45 minutes of daylight left, but obviously this thing is making its exit. And a beautiful one. Winter sunstroke. That sun is, it's not far off down now. I've had the drone up before sunset, but look at that. I've still got to set all my sleep system up, and I think today might be the day where we unravel the guys. My word. Great Gable looking horrifically beautiful, and I say that just because I've had a couple of what would we call that, character building, a couple of character building experiences on that mountain, but an absolute spectacle. There's no one about, there's no one here, man. Obviously it's we're way off piece here, but coming down in the morning will be interesting. For some reason, tell me, is this right? Like 18 degrees yesterday, 16 degrees today, and then snowing tomorrow. Makes no sense, man. Makes no. It is what it is. We'll enjoy this while we're here. The light is slowly coming to an end, and now we've just got the silhouettes of the mountains. Great Gable, Green Gable, and I think that's Brandreth, and I think the one behind it is Dalehead. But honestly, do not listen to me. I haven't a clue, I'm just guessing. This is what we're on, just simple noodles, and this is just chili oil and soy sauce. A bit of Celtic salt. Here we go. And it wouldn't be a camp of mine if I didn't forget something. I forgot my spork, so I'm stirring it with the old Opinel, and gonna eat it with the old hands. So I'm not gonna film that, so I'll get back to you when I'm done. Food's done. I'm just shit. Just doing dishes. Well, dish. Bit noisy, isn't it? Yeah, they're the winds. As you see, I've had the drone up and stuff. I've been awake for a few hours actually. Just been chilling in the tent, waiting for the sunrise, but great end is in the way of that. But yeah, last night I fell asleep pretty much straight after my food, eating like a caveman, just grabbing the noodles and just a bit like in my early 20s, the way I used to eat doner meat. But yeah, I still slept well. As you can hear, it is windy, but I'm just going to chill for 30 minutes or so and then slowly pack away the gear. So just walking around the tent as well and seeing this. So if you have camped in this exact spot and you happen to have forgot a peg, email me and I'll send it you if you ever happen to stumble across this video. And someone camped over here last night, see him? The little red thing there. Fully packed up now, so I've just got to put it in the bag and put the tent away. It's getting proper windy now, so that's the end of this camp and it's the end of this video. Ooh. Leave no trace as always. I can't say enough good things about this place. Absolutely stunning. Just this whole area, like the whole Scafell range and the surrounding fells, are just to die for. Anyway, I'm going to get down this mountain, get back to the car. Thank you for watching if you got this far, and I'll catch you on the next one.